Start with a slip knot and chain 100, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3 plus 1 chain for the turning chain. Next on, 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one. And 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, to make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook in the first stitch, the first chain stitch, and pull up a loop. Now turn your work and insert your hook in the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. This is the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, you have already made 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch make a front post double crochet. And in the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet in each stitch. One front post double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. And 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch. Be careful not to make a stitch in this stitch. This is of the front post double crochet. The next stitch you'll make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet. You'll have 1 stitch left at the end. Make 1 double crochet in this last stitch. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert your hook in the first stitch. Pull up a loop. Turn your work. This is the first stitch. Insert your hook and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain and the first double crochet made. Next on, you've already made 1 double crochet over here, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 front post double crochet next 2 stitches, one double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this. 1 front post double crochet each in the next 2 stitches and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. At the end, you will have 1 stitch left. Make 1 double crochet over there. Now make the turning chain. Now keep repeating this last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. Here you've already made one double crochet. In the next stitch you'll make one front post double crochet. One double crochet each in this next stitches. And now repeat this. One front post double crochet. One double crochet in the next 2 stitches. This is how the pattern will form. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.